Hey everybody, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to show you my workplace loadout, what I wear when I'm at work. As a armed security guard, I wear a semi-duty belt. I call it a semi-duty belt because I'm not wearing a gun belt. I'm wearing basically a utility belt by Next Belt, uh, and it's a very stiff belt, and it's adjustable by ratchet. And I wear my badge on it, my service weapon holster on it. It's an inside paddle holster. It doesn't really rest on the belt itself. And I put a extra magazine pouch here, Maxpedition pouch with medical kit, tourniquet, CPR mask, and back here I have a pouch for my Swiss Army knife tracker, and that dangling thing right there is a peanut lighter. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay everything on the table, show you what's inside the Maxpedition pouch, and go over what I carry as a sidearm. All right, hang tight. All right, so this is everything that was on my belt, almost everything. All right, exception of the pouches. I emptied all the pouches and laid it on here on the table. Extra mag, 12-round mag for the P365X. A tourniquet, Sharpie pen, Archer Mini through night flashlight, pair of latex gloves, medical shears, a plastic bag full of assorted bandages, band-aids, some Germex wipes, right in the rain notepad, a chest seal, a air sealed pack of bandages, and a Victorinox trucker. Also, I carry as a sidearm the P36X 6-hour pistol. This one I have the 17-round mag in there with a weapon sight, Hollison 407K red dot. And most people ask why I carry a subcompact for my service weapon for duty. It's because just to save on weight, and it's more comfortable to carry. I may go to a full-size pistol later in the year. Also, some people may ask why I carry a med kit, or medical emergency kit with me. Well, the reason is because just in case something does happen at work where someone needs a tourniquet or someone needs to be bandaged up, it's better to be prepared to have these things than not to have it, because something like this can be the difference between saving someone's life and watching somebody die. So that's why I have these things with me. All right. Hopefully I never have to use these things. But in today's situation, an armed guard is more necessary than ever. You have situations where there are shootings occurring all over the country now in the strangest places: amusement parks, quiet libraries, public places, private places. And you never know, especially at a workplace, what can happen. So being prepared is key, and just to have someone armed on standby is becoming more a necessity these days than ever. All right, so if you have any questions as to what I carry at work, here you have it. Later in the year, like I said, I might go to a full-size handgun, a regular gun belt. Also, I may purchase a plate carrier to wear at work for protection. I have a ballistic vest at home. I currently am not using, but I want to get a plate carrier to stop rifle rounds. Also, I forgot to mention, I am wearing, I didn't take off the belt, the pouch, but a CPR mask right here for giving someone CPR. All right, so that's everything in a nutshell there. Thanks for watching. If some of these products I'm going to list down below in the description for my Amazon affiliate link. If you want to purchase any of this stuff, check it out. All right, see ya. Thank you.